Now there is a situation given there in question number 5. They are telling half the perimeter of a rectangular garden. So we are discussing about a rectangular garden and we have to find the dimensions. So let us take the length to be x and let the breadth be y. They are telling half the perimeter of a rectangular garden whose length is 4 more than its width is 36 meter. They have given perimeter by 2 is equal to 36. You know that the perimeter is 2 into L plus B. So when you divide that by 2, 2 and 2 will get cancelled. So you will have just L plus B equal to 36. That is, here it is going to be x plus y equal to 36. Now keep this as equation 1. Then your second equation is going to be, they are telling length is 4 more than the width. Length is more. That is, we have, since x is more, to make it balanced we have to add that 4 to the breadth. Length is 4 more than the width. 4 more than the width. So y plus 4 is going to be your length. Now we have two equations. We can write this as, the second equation can also be written as x minus y equal to 4. Now we are going to solve this graphically. For that we will give values for x and find the corresponding values of y. This can also be written as y is equal to 36 minus x. Now I am going to make the tabular column here. For the first one, I am going to give values for x and find the corresponding values of y. So when x value is 10, y value is going to be 26. When x value is 16, y value is going to be 20. When x value is going to be 20, y value is going to be 16. Similarly, we will find the coordinates for the second line here. We are going to give coordinates for, here x is equal to y plus 4. So I am going to give values for y and find the corresponding values of x. Now first we will give 10. Then x is going to be 14. Then when you give, maybe we will give 14. When you give 14, then y value is going to be, your x is going to be 14 plus 4, that is 18. Then one more, we will give 20, or we can give 16. So x value is going to be 16 plus 4, that is 20. Now we are going to draw the graph. Since we are having only positive values, I am going to take only the first quadrant. So my scale is going to be, I will take x axis 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Y axis also 1 centimeter equal to 2 units. Then we will have 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Maximum we need values up to 20. So we will go one more, 20. 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 2. On the y axis we need up to 26. So instead of taking 2 units, I will take 4 units. Then we will have 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, then 24, 28. Now we will plot the coordinates of the first point. First point, we are having 10 comma 26. 10 comma 26 is going to be in between 24 and 28 here. Then the second point is 16 comma 20, that will be there. Then the third point, 20 comma 16, 20 comma 16 is going to be there. So when you join, you get a straight line. We have drawn the first line. Now we are going to draw the second line. 14 comma 10. In 14 the value is going to be 10. Then 18 comma 14. 18 comma 14 will be somewhere there. Then 20 comma 16. 20 comma 16 we have already marked. The second value is 18 comma 14, which is somewhere in between. So when you join all these 3 points, you will get another straight line extending both sides. Now we have got the point of intersection. We have found that value to be, x value to be 20 and the y value to be 16. So x value is equal to 20, y value is equal to 16. That is, length is going to be 20 units, breadth is going to be 16 units.